Okay guys, we're going to be talking about N2's child-resistant lid applicator, and I will show you some common troubleshooting errors that happen with this. Okay, so this is our lid feeding turntable. This has 8 different slots where you can feed lids into. Common error with this guy is that sometimes these like to work, these 4 rods that hold the lids in place like to kind of work their way loose, and sometimes these lids can get out of order. So every now and again, while this thing is in operation, you will want to come over, kind of squeeze those lids, tighten them in nice and tight like that, making sure that they are properly dropping into the lid feeder. Next thing, making sure that all of our sensors operate properly, okay? When a can is presented in front of it, there should be a yellow light that lights up. I have a bottle stop sensor here. I have a lid feeding sensor here. This lid feeding sensor, as soon as the lids get low enough and this sensor does not read lids, it will tell this turntable to move to the next position. I also have another sensor that is underneath this lid feeder here. That tells it when there is a can present to drop a lid. We move on to the next sensor. This is an origin sensor. This origins out to your turntable, which origin means it's home base or it's home. So it realigns everything back together. This sensor here is also an origin sensor. It origins your lid feeding turntable, finds its home base. Once it moves past that, then we have our plunger activation sensor. Once that sensor sees a can present, it will tell the plunger here to actually stamp down onto the can, putting the child-resistant lid onto the can. I have sensors up here, proximity sensors up here. They read when this plunger is in the up position. This sensor here reads when it is in the down position. If these sensors are not lit up or are not functioning properly, then nothing else will work. Safety feature there. If this is reading that the plunger is down, it will not turn the turntable or anything else. Likewise, if this sensor does not read that this is in the up position, then it will not turn anything else.